Kacha means it's related to moving fast in many local languages. Kacha is the first private payment instrument issuer in Ethiopia. We are licensed to provide the basic mobile money services like making cash in, cash out, and building your own agent network, the P2P, bill payment, and the like. Apart from those basic mobile money services, we are also allowed to provide digital saving, digital lending, digital insurance, and inbound remittances, and many others. We are, by regulation, allowed to provide a range of financial services.
Since we are developing from the scratch, we are all of our services are in-house development. So we have a plan just to include some AI or some trends of solutions which are available currently.
Development of digital technology is really key in enabling access, and especially affordable access to solutions that can really enable us to build resilience among vulnerable communities. So this is what informed BIMALAB Africa InsurTech Accelerator program. The program was set up to support InsurTech in the challenges they face in setting up and scaling successful tech companies. And the challenges that they face include access to technical support, access to funding, access to strategic partnerships, and regulatory barriers.
So in terms of partnerships with the BIMALAB Africa program, one of the interest areas that FSD likes to engage in is creating inclusive finance. So within that, insurance is a major element. So for us to quickly, since we started 2 years back, to quickly create capacity within the insurance space, partnering with BIMALAB Africa program was one way of creating that capacity.
The program has scaled to cover and support insurtechs across 16 African nations. We have also supported successfully 74 insurtech startups and scale-ups, and we have been able to enable access to more than 4 million underserved customers to be able to access insurance covers as a result of the solutions that have been developed by the innovators from the BIMALAB Africa.
It enables us to question ourselves and to really question ourselves that what we have come through on the insurtech space and what we want to do, and it's really created the room for us to come up with a very clear strategic vision on what Kacha is aspired to do specifically on the insurtech space, as like we do on the digital banking space. That really comes from the passing through the BIMALAB Accelerator program. So by license, we basically allowed to do both the banking and the insurance, to work in the insurance space. And on the insurance space, we allowed to do digital insurance. So that's basically what motivated us to apply for the BIMALAB program. It was quite an experience for us. There was a mentorship program, an opportunity to get to know on the players on the regional markets, on cohort members, and it was quite an experience for us, and that's the basic reason we go ahead for applying for the BIMALAB program. Kacha gets an opportunity to be seen on the larger scale on the other African markets, and we managed to establish strong partnership with other regional market players, and here also on key players, and give us the publicity to be known and heard by most people. It's been like almost 2 years since we started operation, and we managed to achieve key milestones regarding customer base expansion and forming key strategic partnership with key players in the market.
በላይ ጊዜን ሴቭ ያደርጋል። በዛ ላይ ደግሞ ተቋሙ እኔ አጠገብ ስለሆነ 100 ብር ካሽ ብር የሚቀበሉኛል። ከአጓጉል ወጪ የምትደረጊበት ይሄኛው ካሽ ብር ትራንስፈር ብር ሲኖር ካቻ ሲኖር ተጠቃሚ ትሆኛለሽ። ጊዜን ሴቭ ማድረግ አጓጉል ድካም
because there was even a session of risk assessment, customer-centric product design, and there is back and forth discussion with the mentors, and that's really played a lot on basically reforming and reshaping our strategy on the insurtech space. And I cannot emphasize enough the importance of BIMALAB insurtech accelerator program. Yeah. When you have a child, like it doesn't mean like it will grow by himself, right? He needs food, water, shelter, like education and everything, follow-up. So it's like that. I mean, we need technical supports, follow-ups, and financial support even to penetrate in the market, to create the publicity for customer awareness and everything. So your support is quite needful even now and going forward down the line. Yeah. As we speak, we have over 100,000 customer base and closing to 1 billion transaction volume. And next time we meet, like we will speak about 1 million of customers